Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I want to show you the results of Gold EA Incubator, and also I want to break down the trade that we took this morning during New York session on 5-minute time frame using order block strategy. I want to break it down exactly how I did it and why I did it. But before that, let me get into the results of Gold Incubator on this real $1,000 account. As you can see, guys, there's been so many up and downs because the market has been crazy. I don't know when you're watching this video, but we had so many huge drops on gold since last week, and it's just going crazy. But we are still up in profit, which is 55%, and the profit amount is $601. So we had just a slight a drop from July 12th to July 13th, and then we started recovering all these losses, and then we definitely get back to 85% again in probably less than 2 weeks. So today's 15th, we still have 2 weeks by managing a risk, and also we need to keep it off during New York session. We can definitely get back to this level. So let me show you why I took this trade on GBPUSD. So I'm going to do a little bit of replay for you, and also I'm going to delete everything. So this used to be for the previous trades, but I want to show you exactly why I did it. So it was actually this one, my bad, sorry, it was during New York session, this one right here. So that one was just a test I was doing myself. So okay guys, as you know, if you're watching my channel, you know that I always trade during New York session that it starts at 8 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, like 8 sharp. I start trading, you know, I open up my charts, EURUSD, GBPUSD, NAS 100 and GBPJPY. So I started looking for high probability supply and demand zones on 5-minute time frame and 15-minute time frame, which could be a good confluence with 5-minute time frame. But in 5-minute time frame right now, we have this high probability order block, which is a high probability supply zone. If you don't know what they are, I highly recommend you to watch my other video that I'm going to put a card above this video, and then you can watch that video after watching this. So watch this video, guys, you know how it works, and then you can also watch my other videos. I always talk about this strategy and nothing else. So in order to find a high probability supply zone, you need to find the last bullish candle, which in this case is this one right here. And then you look for the first candle that get out of the zone, which is this one, and the candle that forms after this, which is this. So we still have this tiny little bit of gap right here, which makes this zone a high probability supply zone. What's the next level? Oh, one more thing that I would like to mention before I move on is that if you have two back-to-back bullish candles, then you cover both of them, and then you find the first candle that get out of the zone, which is this one, and the next candle this one, and then there's a gap right here. So this zone is still a high probability supply zone. Okay, so but I'm going to take the last one. I can take both of them, but I personally work with this one because this is the furthest, and always the market tries to go for like the last one, and that's what it exactly did for this trade right here. So as you can see, I'm just waiting for the price to tap into this level, and then if I wait for a confirmation. If everything was really good, then I'm going to enter my trade. Right here, I noticed that this is the first candle that tapped into this level, and then we had a huge rejection towards downside from sellers. Can you see that, guys? From sellers, we have this drawdown, this push towards downside, and then the candle after that, which is this one, had another push towards downside. See these two. So now I know that it's a pretty good confirmation because this level is respected. And then I can also put my sell stop right here. I don't necessarily have to put it here because it's kind of far. I know that I got the confirmation, and then I put my stop loss above this level, which is above the candle itself, or I can just put it right here to give it more space. My 1-to-1 is going to be right here. So the first goal is to take a 1-to-1 trade. Like no matter what, you aim for 1-to-1. And since we have this support level here, it means that there's a bunch of liquidity sitting below this level. Can you see that, guys? There's a bunch of liquidity sitting below this level, and it's very, very important to target these areas because you know that the banks and institutions always target support and resistance levels because they know that the liquidity is there, the same as this scenario right here. Even if I put my TP all the way to this level, which is this one. This is a clean support level here, and then this is the last shadow we have, so I can also put it right here. So it could be a really good risk to reward ratio trade, which is almost 1 to 1.2. But if I want to take a 1 to 2, I can also take a 1 to 2. If you want to do it, it's totally up to your risk appetite, that how much you're willing to risk. I definitely go for 1 to 1, and I go bigger because I know that I can get the results faster, and then my risk is gonna be less because it's only 1 to 1. So this is exactly what happened on GBPUSD, guys. I highly recommend you to watch my other videos that I talk about this strategy. It's going to be super helpful for you if you're a scalper, or if you're looking to be a scalper. It's going to be super helpful. And if you have any question regarding this strategy or Gold EA Incubator in general, feel free to drop your comment below this video. I'll personally get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Next time when I upload a video, you'll get notified. Have a profitable week, and let's crush it.